Leo, I hope you all are doing really good. This is Falguni and I'm here to do your monthly tarot reading, and this is for the month of October. Of course, this is a general reading, so it will not resonate with all of you. Please do not leave comments like it is not resonating, this is not working, and all sorts of comments, because I have already told you that this is a general reading. And if you've been watching tarot readings on YouTube, you already know the drill. And if you want to book a private reading with me, you can definitely reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below. And let's dive in and check what is in store for Leo for this month of October. Let's quickly check out what is in store for Leo for the month of October in love. Let's see what's coming for Leo in love for the month of October. Okay, let's quickly find out what is coming for Leo for the month of October in love. Okay, so you have some sort of guidance that is coming towards you. I mean, you are or your partner is seeking for some sort of guidance. Also, please remember that the roles can be reversed, so take it how it resonates with you. Okay, so here your partner is seeking for some sort of guidance in the situation, and they're seeking for a balance as well. They're looking for all the positive and negative aspects of the situation of your love, and trying to create a balance in the situation. They're thinking how to come across a balance, and also guidance is they're basically spiritually inclined at this moment. They are getting spiritually inclined more and more with passing days, and they want a balance in the situation, and they're also ready to put in the efforts. Okay, they feel that in the past there was not enough efforts, there were not enough efforts that were invested in the situation, and now they want to come correct somehow. Let's see what is the guidance that they are looking for. Let's clarify this guidance. Let's clarify the guidance here. What is the guidance that they are looking for? What is the guidance that they are looking for? What is the guidance that they are looking for? Let's see. Okay, so they are basically looking, they are in a depressive state at the moment. They are not able to see the positive side of things, and they are focused too much on the negative at the moment. Okay, as I can see, and they want to close this cycle in their life somehow and take some action towards you in the situation, like I just told you. Okay, they are now feeling the need to take an action towards you, and they want to close this ongoing cycle of repetitive um, I mean repetitive unequal imbalance that is there in the situation. That is, they want to now invest in the equal give and take here, and for that they are seeking guidance from their from the universe, from the gods, whoever they worship to. I mean, whomsoever they trust, they lay their confidence into. They're seeking guidance from there. Okay, let's see what is the integration that they're looking for. What is the integration here that they're looking for? Let's see what is the integration here that they're looking for. Leo, what is the integration here? As you already can see, it's a very depressive kind of energy that they are emitting. Okay, so they are looking to balance out this situation, and for that they are constantly spying on you, constantly watching you from far. Though they are not ready to take action, they are trying to figure out how to take action towards you. They are constantly watching you, and they want to come towards you with a small offer. They want to message you, and for that they are gathering all the strength. So they are basically working on a strategy on how to come towards you. That is the balance that they are looking for, so that they can move things forward in the situation, right? Let's see what is the totality here for. Let's clarify the card totality. Let's clarify totality here. Let's clarify. Okay, okay, so Leo, what is the totality here? So like I told you, in the past they feel that there was an imbalance, there was no equal give and take, and because of that it led to some emotional turmoil as well in the situation. And they were mentally stuck, unable to move ahead. They were waiting for things to turn into their favor, but things did not work out somehow. Now they are ready to invest in the efforts, since they've already you know had the taste of failure. Now they're ready to even come to a conclusion where they can move to a happily ever after, a stable home, and a full-fledged commitment of some sort. So now they are ready to invest in their efforts, but they are you know seeking for, working on some sort of strategy. They're still working on some sort of strategy so that they do not stumble upon failure of some sort now, this time again. Okay, so that is what they're working on. All right, Leo. So that is what I have for you in love. Okay. So let me just arrange the cards and then we'll see what is there for you in your career. Right? Okay. So what is there for Leo in their career situation for the month of October? Let's see what is there, what is coming for Leo in their career for the month of October. What is coming for Leo in their career for the month of October? What is coming for Leo? Okay. So we have some sort of burden that you are feeling now, right, lately. I mean, I don't know why, but there is some sort of burden that you're feeling in your energy, that I can see that you're feeling some sort of burden right now. And because of that, maybe you haven't been able to entertain the other surroundings around you. So that is the energy of October anyhow. You will be feeling in some sort of burden. You will be trapped in some sort of energies of turning within and reflecting within. Also, you will be willing to share some sort of your fruits of your labor, or maybe you want to involve some other people with you, or a significant one person with you in whatever you are doing currently. You want to share that aspect with them. Maybe you want to plan something with them, maybe you want to execute something with them, maybe you want to share the results, consequences, or results, maybe whatever the fruits are, you want to share with a particular person. That is your intent in the situation. I mean, there is another significant person involved in the situation. That is what I can see. Okay, let's see what is the burden card here for. Why is the burden card here? Let's see, let's find out. Let's clarify the burden card here. Let's clarify the burden card here. Let's clarify. Okay, Leo. Let's clarify the burden card here. Let's clarify the burden card here. Okay. So, you have the burden that you are feeling is whether to take a step in the new direction, whether to take a risk forward or not. You want to take risk in a particular direction, but you're not sure. So you are constantly worried about the outcome, the consequences, and you're not sure if you should proceed by taking the next step forward or not. That is what your burden here is about. And so you have been wounded in the past, maybe, and you feel a little defensive because of that. So you are very careful this time. I mean, you are right now thinking twice before even putting one foot forward in the situation. That is your state right now. Though you want to take that leap of faith, but you're not sure. So that is creating some sort of burden within you. Okay, you feel that maybe if I do this, and if I you are I mean constantly overthinking the things in your mind. Let's see what is the turning in. Think that you are currently in a reflective state and ignoring everyone's opinion, or maybe you are thinking about what others are also saying. That also is going on in your mind, but you are not interacting with anyone as of now. You are thinking about all the things in your mind itself. Okay, let's see what is the turning card here for. So again, like I told you, you are in a defensive state. You've been wounded in the past. You have been hurt in the past because of your decisions or because of something that you did in the past. So you don't want to repeat that. You are wounded and you're defensive. You are working towards a wish fulfillment. You're trying to heal yourself from whatever has happened. You want to let go of that, and you want to move forward with a new offer, a new project that you have in mind, but you're not sure if it would be the right step or not. Okay, again, you are overthinking this, you are constantly thinking about the consequences, like I told you. So, you basically want a stable, balanced situation in this. Okay, and that's why very careful. You don't want to end up in a mess. Okay, what is the sharing card here for? Let's see what is the sharing card here for. Let's see. Maybe you feel that if it goes well, then you can share this news with other people that you finally did that what you had in mind, or maybe you are apprehensive of it at the same time, and then maybe you have somebody whom you want to involve in the situation. Let's figure out what's it about. Yes, definitely. So you have someone that you want to share this news with again. So like I told you, it can be from your personal life, it may be related to your personal life, and you're worried about the career part in your life because that affects your personal life directly. Maybe because of career situations it was not working out previously, because of the financial instability that you were facing earlier. So now that you have it, you are working towards it and you want to share this with that person. Okay, when the time comes, so you're very careful at this time because you don't want to take any wrong step, so that it again leads to some disasters of some kind. And also because this person is very blunt, very straightforward, whoever you're dealing with, they're very straightforward, they're very blunt, and you don't want them to insult you in some way. Maybe though you feel that this connection is divinely guided, but again you are scared of that person, you intimidated in some way or shape or form. And also at the same time you find this person quite attractive and everything, and this is also possible that you have two people around you. Another scenario I'm giving you, this is one scenario that I told you, that you have one person whom you want to share it with and they're quite blunt and straightforward. Another situation, another scenario that I'm getting here is you have two people around you, and you have this kind of choice to make as to whom should you share this with, that is, whom should you work on a project with. Okay, supposing you have two projects in mind and you are not sure of which one to collaborate with, which will be more beneficial for you and which will be more effectively executed and will definitely give you that outcome which you want. Okay, so there are two choices you have. One is quite logically and sound and everything, one seems to be too good to be true. Okay, one of the offers is too good to be true and the other one is like a little on the practical side of things. Okay, that is, it might even work out or it might even not work out, it depends on your efforts and all sorts of things, all the external calculations are also involved. So that is obviously there in any kind of business and opportunity. However, so you have that calling that is coming from within you, you need to listen to that. Okay, Leo, you need to understand that calling from within you. Okay, now this was for your career. Let me just arrange the cards and then we'll quickly check your We'll quickly check your after this your monthly guidance. Okay, so that's what you have for your career, and definitely if it is burdening you, you need to pay attention and think carefully. Take your time, relax, do not worry, and do not stress yourself out in the process. Okay. Okay, let's see what is the overall guidance for Leo for the month of October. What is the overall guidance for Leo for the month of October? What is the overall guidance for Leo for the month of October? What is the overall guidance for Leo? Okay, you have ripeness, so you need to wait for the right time and take the action. The timing is important here. Whenever you feel that it is the right time, now that you need to strike while the iron is hot. Okay, so you need to grab that opportunity. You need to be careful, you need to understand the situation well enough to know when the timing is right and when you should take action towards whatever the situation is. So that is what I have for you, so that you can basically, share your juices or whatever you have inside of you to the best of the outcome. Okay, to the best of your abilities. So that is what I have for you, Leo. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, and stay happy. Thank you. Namaste.